I am in here in the kitchen today with a very much loved personal friend of mine and Michael's, Mitch Pennell. And Mitch is a genius with leftovers, y'all. First, we're gonna start off with our poppy seed chicken casserole. I had some leftover poached chicken, and Mitch is slicing that up for us. I've got 2 nice fat portobellos that I'm gonna just slice off. Tell everybody what you do.
I have a non-for-profit organization in Chicago. We basically scour the alleys and the dumpsters and the trash and...
My kind of shopping, baby.
Any place we can find discard and things that have sort of lost value or are no longer wanted, we repurpose those into beautiful accessories and home furnishings, and like the pieces I brought today, beautiful serving pieces. Those look delicious.
Don't they look delicious?
I love portobello mushrooms, though.
And you are slicing that chicken just beautifully,
Well,
Mitch.
thank you.
All right, now I'm gonna add an 8-ounce carton of sour cream.
Yum.
Mitch is crushing us up, y'all. 1 sleeve of butter crackers, and I'm adding a can of cream of chicken soup. All right, so those mushrooms are working their way into that sour cream, Mitch, and that cream of chicken soup. I've got probably about a 1/2 cup of slivered almonds, and I like those so much better than I do the sliced. Now I'm gonna add a tablespoon of poppy seeds. Our little individual casseroles are gonna have just a little buttery crunch topping
Yum.
that we're gonna put on them. So just that simple, we have taken this leftover poached chicken and turned it into almost like a chicken divan.
Yum.
Only it's got mushrooms instead of broccoli.
May I taste it?
Please stick your finger in.
Mmm.
So American, isn't it?
That's yummy. All right, so I'm gonna add the butter, about
Okay.
2 tablespoons of melted butter
Okay.
over the buttery crackers, and that's gonna make our top crust.
All right, now we've got some little individual casserole dishes down here, so we're gonna personalize them.
I love that idea because it makes someone feel special that
Oh
they
my
get their
gosh,
little individual
yes.
casserole at the table, you know?
All right, I'm gonna put the
Add
chicken in.
there. And I'm gonna finish this crust up.
And just that quickly, we're ready.
You ready to roll?
Yeah, I'm just gonna coat that chicken with that sauce.
Oh, that looks so good, Paula,
it
just
look
like
good?
that.
And you did a magnificent job of slicing that chicken.
thank you. What can I say? We ready to go?
So come on down here, yes.
All right, let's load
Let's
these
move
babies
this
up.
over here. And I'm just gonna load this up with our casserole ingredients. I've got some cute little casserole dishes, so it makes it kind of special, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
it does. I love
All
it
right.
served that way, Paula.
So-
Do you want these fully covered with the crust, Paula?
Yeah, don't you think?
Yeah.
We are,
I'm just gonna use my hands. How about
Yes.
that?
you know, the best tools that you can have in your kitchen are the tools that God gave you. And that's
Right.
those hands. All right. So we're gonna cover these, y'all, with tin foil, and we're gonna bake them for about 15 minutes covered, and then we're gonna take the foil off and cook them for like another 10 minutes.
And that'll brown them off, right?
Yeah, so that'll crisp up our crackers and kind of brown them off.
How's that look? All right, let me
Beautiful.
slap some foil on here.
Just like that. That.
And I think we are ready
We
to
are
pop these
in
the
Venice.
oven. All right, what's this oven set at, Paula?
It's set at 350.
Great.
Remember, 15 minutes covered, 10 minutes naked.
And in we go. Let's check that
We'll
out.
take them out of the oven, honey, and I'll wash up my hands, and we'll taste those little casseroles and these potato bites at the same time.
Yum, look at that.
Mitch, look at this.
Yum.
Look at that portobello mushroom, y'all, and that piece of chicken. I'll go if you go. Oh.
Wow.
Hot.
But it's so good. Oh, I love those butter crackers with the crust.
I do too. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.